just got this old tractor up and running. Got a cutter on the back. So what I'm going to do now, just give it a bit of a clean up. It's been set up for a while. As you can see, it's quite oily. It hasn't been cleaned for a while, so I'm just going to quickly give it a wash over, tidy it up a little bit. Yeah, nice one. Good old bit of kit. Not going to do like a major job on it, just tidy it up a bit, get rid of what's old lichen on it. It's got been there a while. Right, okay guys. Just going to get the old jet wash out in a minute and give it a clean. Right, there we go. A bit cleaner than what it was. It's been sat around for about 3 years, I think. As clean as it's going to get. Right, nice one.